Now for those tips that I promised. If you open a document in Preview and click this icon, you'll see this option, and if you click that and then iPhone, this shows up on my iPhone and I can put my signature on here. Now it's on my computer and I can drag it. There. So if you ever need to sign a document, there's no need to print, sign, and scan again. You can sign on your phone and then put it here. The next tip is if you have a document that you want to scan to your computer, but you don't want to use a scanner and you'd rather use your phone, you can do that. Open up Finder. I like to go to Desktop, and if you right click, there's an Import from iPhone option. You can choose Scan Documents. Now my phone looks like this. I hold the phone over the document and it will scan it, and there it is on the bottom left. I'll hit Save, and here it is on my desktop. No need to use a scanner. And if you want to easily be able to check how much battery life your keyboard has and your mouse has, you can go into System Preferences, then choose Bluetooth, and when you get to this screen, make sure Show Bluetooth and Menu Bar is selected, and now you'll have this icon on the top right menu bar. And when you click it, you can now see the Magic Keyboard and Magic Mouse too, and when you hover over them, you can see the battery level. Something I always do whenever I get a new computer is I open up the mouse preferences and I adjust the tracking speed, so if I want to make the mouse a little bit faster, I can increase it here. It's a little too fast. That's good. Then I usually check this box, so every time I click on the right hand side, it's a right click, so I don't have to hold down Control and click all the time. Then there's Smart Zoom that I can enable, and more gestures. I usually have everything clicked. And those are some mouse tips. And the last thing I always do is connect my AirPods. To do that, I will go to the Bluetooth icon here, hover over my AirPods, and hit connect. I'll hold down this button on the back, and a connection request pops up, and I'll hit connect.